What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2016 Subaru Forester. Very simple removal and install. So you come over here to the passenger side, glove box, pull it down. I always like to take everything out of it first. Once you get it out, you'll see this little clip right here. That clip there, and you got one on the other side as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your hand and pull this over like that, and you're going to free that one, and same thing on that side, you free that one. Sometimes that one pops back into place like what it just did. There you go. So once you get that free, you see it drops down, and then it's connected here. So after you take that and pop that to the side, the glove box should push straight down. Then the cabin filter is right here. So you grab these clips, preferably here and here, on both sides at the same time. I'm gonna go ahead and set this down so I can get a two-hander going on. So you just pinch these in, and this slides straight out just like that. And then you're just gonna wanna install the same way that it came out. And you can see there's directions up. So after pulling this out, you just take this one and you slide it right on into place, just like so. And then when reinstalling this, sometimes the glove box likes to unclip from here or there. Just make sure those are clipped into place properly. And then you just easily lift back up on this, and it clips right back into place. And then you take this little piece and you put it right on there. And that's it. That's all it takes to install a cabin filter on a 2016 Subaru Forester. If I helped you guys out and you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like, and thank you.